Opening jars, cutting vegetables, holding utensils, or even using a can opener may seem simple. But for someone with weak hands, hand pain, or arthritis, small kitchen tasks can become frustrating very quickly. And the hard part is not just the pain. It is the feeling of losing independence in your own kitchen. The good news is that there are simple kitchen products on Amazon that may help make cooking easier, safer, and less stressful. These products are not medical treatments. They will not cure arthritis, but they may help reduce effort, improve comfort, and make everyday kitchen routines easier. So in this video, we are looking at useful Amazon kitchen products for people with weak hands, limited grip strength, or arthritis.
The third product is ergonomic kitchen utensils. Forks, spoons, knives, and cooking tools with thin handles can be hard to hold. Ergonomic utensils usually have larger, softer, or non-slip handles that are easier to grip. This can make eating, stirring, mixing, and preparing food feel more comfortable. For someone with hand pain or limited grip, the handle design matters a lot. A bigger handle can reduce the need to squeeze tightly, and that can make everyday meals feel easier. Before buying, check the handle size, material, weight, and whether the utensils are dishwasher safe.
2. Rocker knife. A rocker knife is a simple tool, but it can be very helpful. Instead of using a regular knife with a back and forth cutting motion, a rocker knife lets the person cut food by rocking the blade downward. This may require less wrist movement and less grip pressure. It can be useful for cutting softer foods, fruits, vegetables, sandwiches, or cooked meals. For someone with weak hands, this can make food preparation feel more manageable. But it is still a knife, so safety matters. Before buying, check blade safety, handle comfort, and whether the person can use it confidently.
3. Non-slip jar gripper pads. Next, we have non-slip jar gripper pads that help create extra grip when opening jars, bottles, or containers. They are small, cheap, and easy to store. Sometimes the problem is not only hand strength, it is the lack of grip. A non-slip pad can help the hand hold the lid more securely, making it easier to twist. This is a good option for people who want something simple before buying an electric jar opener. Before buying, check
4. Easy Grip Vegetable Peeler. Peeling vegetables can be difficult when the handle is thin or slippery. An Easy Grip vegetable peeler is designed to be more comfortable to hold. Some have wide handles, some have soft grips, some are shaped to reduce pressure on the fingers. This can make peeling potatoes, carrots, cucumbers, and apples easier. For someone with arthritis, small changes in handle design can make a big difference. Before buying, check if the peeler is lightweight, sharp enough to work without force, and easy to clean.
5. Anti-slip cutting board. The 7th product is an anti-slip cutting board. When a cutting board moves around on the counter, it can make cooking harder and less safe. For someone with weak hands, holding food steady while cutting can already be difficult. An anti-slip cutting board helps keep the board more stable. Some boards also have raised edges, food spikes, or corner guards to help hold ingredients in place. This can be useful for seniors or anyone who wants more control while preparing food. Before buying, check the size, non-slip base, cleaning instructions, and whether it fits the kitchen space.
6. Easy Grip Can Opener. Next, we have an Easy Grip Can Opener. Traditional can openers can be difficult because they require squeezing, twisting, and hand strength. For someone with arthritis, that small twisting motion can be uncomfortable. An Easy Grip can opener is designed to be more comfortable to hold and easier to turn. Some models have larger handles, some are electric, and some require less pressure from the hand. This may be helpful for people who cook often, but struggle with cans of soup, beans, vegetables, or sauces. Before buying, check if it is manual or electric, how easy it is to clean, and whether the handle is comfortable for weak hands.
Cooking should not feel impossible because of weak hands. And life with arthritis does not mean someone has to give up every kitchen routine they enjoy. Sometimes small tools can make a big difference.
A jar opener, a better handle, a safer cutting board, a simple grip pad, a chopper that reduces repetitive movement. The best product is not always the most expensive one. It is the one that solves a real problem in a real kitchen. So before buying anything, think about the person first. What task is hardest for them? What product would they actually use? What would make cooking feel easier, safer, and more comfortable? Because the goal is not just convenience. The goal is confidence, independence, and dignity in everyday life. If this video helped you discover a useful kitchen product for yourself, a parent, a grandparent, or someone you care about, hit the like button so more people can find it too. And subscribe to Aging at Home Guide for more simple tools, smart products, and practical ideas that help seniors live safer, easier, and more independently at home. You can find the product links in the description. And remember, always compare reviews, features, setup requirements, and return policies before buying.